Hello there! In today's video, I'll show you how to earn up to $400 every day by simply viewing ads. Yes, you heard that right. You can make money by viewing ads. Today's method is really simple to follow, and it's also a very quick way to make money. It's also completely free, which means you won't have to spend anything since we don't want you to. It's that simple. And all of you know that with Daily Dollars, we only give you the best, the easiest, and the fastest ways to make the most out of money online. Since that's all we know to do, of course. We want you guys to be hooked up with only the best methods possible, so you can trust that we would never let any of you guys down, especially when it comes to making money online. This can be done from any part of the world, but the only real way to know is if you have to try it. And with that, make sure that you do. We're gonna make you guys so rich that the life you have right now will be nothing compared to the life you will have after watching today's video and all of our other videos for you. This method today is insane, and you probably will have such a hard time believing it. But you should watch the video to be sure. You won't need any skills or experience, and you can do it on your phone. So you can do it even if you're out with your friends or on your lunch break from your 9-to-5 job. If you're not doing anything at all the better. Make sure you watch the entire video from the beginning to end so you don't get confused about today's method. And make sure you don't skip a part, because if you do, you'll miss the important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Anyway, before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay. So here's what's going to happen first. We're going to teach you how you can sign up for a free account. Next, we're going to teach you how you can set up a passive income strategy so that you can continuously earn without even doing anything. So the first website is called PTC Share. And going to the website, just type in your address bar ptcshare.com. And this is what you should see. PTC Share is more than just a pay-to-click tons of ways to earn money for free, interact with advertisers, and earn up to $1 per ad view. We value loyalty and hard work, so you can build up your earnings over time. And they also claim to have offer walls, surveys, and more. They also have low cash-out limits processed daily, as you can see over here. These are the top earners in the last 48 hours. There are people earning $5 all the way to $20 in just a span of 2 days. And over here are the last cash outs made, so you can literally cash out as low as $1 and earn as much as $50, which is absolutely insane. There are about 570,000 users registered, over 199,000 and 540,000 that members have earned all time just with this platform alone. PTC Share is secure. It's supported by a high-quality secured system which makes sure all of your information remains safe. PTC Share is transparent, and all transactions made in their platform can be tracked. You can follow every single order that you've made with them. It's sustainable. They've designed a sustainable system based on real revenues made by real products. You can earn money online in just a few minutes. Earning with them is very simple. Once you register an account, there will be some cash ads already waiting for you. You will also have a welcome gift of 100 BAPs in your account, which will enable you to receive some more cash ads. While you wait on those, make sure to earn yourself more BAP or BAP by viewing a few of our advertisers' messages, which will allow you to receive even more cash ads. While you wait on receiving more cash ads, make sure to have a look at our offer section where many various tasks await you with more possibilities to earn. If you scroll lower, you'll see that they pay out through so many different methods like Perfect Money, Payeer, Coin, and Litecoin as well. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below. Let us know what you love about the channel so far. Okay. Let's continue. Now we're going to sign up for a free account, and to do that, we're just going to click on the Join Us Now button, and that should then lead you to this right here, wherein you're going to provide all of these details being asked. So that's going to be your username, a password, that will be twice, including the email, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and then finally hit on Create Account. Once you've clicked on that, you will see this "Thank you for registering" before you can log in. Please click on the activation link that was sent to your registered email. Make sure to check the spam folder as well. So let's go to our email account. Check our inbox, and this is what their email should look like. We just need to click on this or copy paste this link, and bam! Account activated. Now you can finally log into your brand new account. To do that, just click on this button that says Log In, and that should take you to here. Enter your login details, confirm another robot, then hit Login right away. You'll be met with something like this, and it says, "Welcome to PTC Share. You've just received 100 BAPS. As welcome bonus, PTC Share is a bit different from all other pay-to-click sites out there, as we value our members' further activity and commitment by giving you more chances to earn and grow your earnings on this page. You have an overview of the most important things in PTC Share and your status as a member." Now, this is what your official dashboard should look like. It's a little confusing right now, but don't worry, we're going to be walking you through the whole thing, so just leave it out to us. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So here, you'll see your balance and your points and everything. And as you scroll down, you'll see all the activity and tasks to be done and that are done as well. Now go ahead and click on Earn right here. And then you'll see all the different ways to earn on this platform. View ads, offer walls, surveys, videos, PDC walls, click grid, and refer friends. Our focus is obviously to earn from watching ads, so we're going to click on View Ads right here. As soon as you click on that, you will then see these activation ads, paid ads, and complete offers. So you can do these ones and earn up to $10 and more. You can just click on whatever you want, and then you can earn the amount promised. So the more ads you view, the more offers to complete, and the more money you can make. It's really all in your hands. Another way to earn would be clicking on Click Grid, which is also where you can find under Earn. And now each of these grids contains ads. So if you click on this box, an ad would pop out, and so on and so forth with the rest of the grids. You'll know that it's credited because the ads that you've already opened up on the grids, they will actually turn red, so you know that you're paid for it. So this one right here. If this contains 100 ads and you click on all of that, that's 0.5 cents per click. And well, that's an easy $5 in literal minutes. It's amazing. And another great way to earn easy money in less than 5 minutes is the last option that we have for you, which would be doing referrals. And that's how you can earn passively. You can go and refer friends, grab your link, share it on forums and different social media platforms. And if you can share it with your family and friends too, you'll be earning without doing any work in no time. With this platform alone, you can make money for yourself and have people make money for you all the time. So make sure that you follow everything that I just shared with you, because we know that you're definitely not going to regret it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit the subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first one to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.